Boro is a Japanese technique which basically means patching over and over again. I love it because you get to personalise your own clothes and reuse and recycle. It's super easy, you don't even need a sewing machine. To create this Boro jacket, all you need is an item of clothing. I've chosen a denim jacket, some fabric scraps. I chose some denim scraps because I want that denim on denim canvas. A needle and thread. You want quite a thick thread because you want the thread to be able to show to create that artwork. And because we're using thick thread, you'll need a large eye in your needle. Now grab your jacket, and I think I'm going to do my Boro on the back here. And you're just going to place your scraps onto the jacket. Now if you're not quite sure what it's going to look like, you can pin your scraps in place and then have a look in the mirror. And I'm just kind of building up my patchwork, layering each kind of denim shade on top of each other. And it gives it that kind of textural look. Now, thread your needle. And tie a knot at the end of the thread. With your needle and thread, you want to go up and down through the fabric. I'm sewing big fat stitches diagonally across the denim patches, but you can do it any way you like. Just keep sewing until you secure all the patches. And there you have your own Japanese wearable art. It's not boring anymore, it's Boro.